Concatenating two lists, difference between plus equals and extend. I've seen there are actually two, maybe more, ways to concatenate lists in Python. One way is to use the extend method. The other to use the plus operator. Now I wonder, which of those two options is the Pythonic way to do list concatenation, and is there a difference between the two? I've looked up the official Python tutorial but couldn't find anything about this topic.
The only difference on a bytecode level is that the .extend way involves a function call, which is slightly more expensive in Python than the inplace_add. It's really nothing you should be worrying about, unless you're performing this operation billions of times. It is likely, however, that the bottleneck would lie someplace else.
You can't use plus equals for non-local variable which is not local for function and also not global. It's because for extend case compiler will load the variable L using load_deref instruction, but for plus equals it will use load_fast, and you get unbound local error column local variable L reference before assignment.
You can chain function calls, but you can't plus equals a function call directly.
Actually, there are differences among the three options: add, inplace_add and extend. The former is always slower, while the other two are roughly the same. With this information, I would rather use extend, which is faster than add, and seems to me more explicit of what you are doing than inplace_add. Try the following code a few times, for Python 3.
I would say that there is some difference when it comes with NumPy. I just saw that the question asked about concatenating two lists, not NumPy array, but since it might be an issue for beginner, such as me, I hope this can help someone who seek the solution to this post, for X. It will return with error. Value error, operands could not be broadcast together with shapes, 0, 4, 4, 4. B.extend works perfectly.
Quartet.